Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got 2 days worth of growth. Today's shave soap is going to be by Stirling, and it's Naked and Smooth. This is a unscented soap, excellent for all your shaving needs. And today I'm going to be using the Adidas Dynamic Pulse. You can find this at your local box store for an aftershave. I'm going to be using my GameChanger 0.84 solid bar. I have that loaded up already with a Gillette silver blue blade. And I've got the soap already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, along with this Cupcake Trotter's Handcrafts brush. Let's go ahead and apply the lather here. I do want to apologize. I didn't get videos out last week. I had several things going on, and it was not a good week for me. I've been doing the old allergy shots twice a week, and it kind of takes a toll on you. Then on top of that, I had a doctor's visit for my shoulder, and I went in for an injection. What I thought was going to be a just little teensy shot ended up being a 40 milliliter shot, and that was very unpleasant, to say the least. So, probably won't see me using too much of my right side too much. I don't know if I had mentioned it on any of the past videos, but I had a little accident, and I fell. And during the fall, I tried to catch myself. And as I was walking up the steps, and when I fell, I went to grab like this, the handrail, and tore my rotator cuff. Wrong direction there. So you know the old insurance, how they like to mess with you. They don't want to do anything. I mean, they want to spend their money the way they want to spend it, and not so much just getting it done right the first time. So I did some physical therapy a while back, and then on top of that, that didn't fix it, of course. So got an MRI done. Found I had over a 50% tear. So they wanted more physical therapy, which doesn't heal a torn muscle. Then they wanted to try some other stuff. And now they're finally doing injections. Hopefully I can get all this resolved and back up and running, because I'm ready to live my life. I had a couple bloopers there. All right, so pass number 2, across the grain. Sometimes I like to puff my cheek out right there, just because. You know, they always say, like, tighten your skin, and sometimes it feels like that makes it a little bit better. It's probably just a mental thing. Last week I was doing a little shaving, and thought I would just try the upward strokes on my neck area. And it did pretty well, so I might stick with that. I don't know. But let me get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Oh, yes. I always see this little dark spot in the camera. I don't know if that's real or just my imagination. All right, so give this thing a little shake here. And I tried to look up what the scent profile is on this. I was not able to really find anything. I do know that to me it kind of has that clean sort of European vibe to it. And I don't know how to exactly describe it, but I know within 2 hours there's no scent there. So, you know, if you're just kind of wanting a something to kind of smell good just first thing in the morning, and then it quickly fade away to where you're not going to disrupt your coworkers' senses. This is a nice little inexpensive splash. I think it was $4.88 if I remember right at Walmart. A little bit of star jelly to finish it up, and I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I shouldn't have moved that. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.